Welcome back! Today we're diving into 12 of the best paying side hustles you can start in 2025 without quitting your day job. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, this is for you. I'll break down what each hustle is, how to get started, and the real earning potential. No fluff, no expensive courses. These are flexible, scalable, and perfect for evenings and weekends. Whether you have a specific skill or you're starting from scratch, there's something here for you. Ready to transform your financial future? Let's jump in. First up, freelance writing. It's a fantastic opportunity for those who have a knack for words and a passion for storytelling. If you can write clearly and effectively, businesses are eager for your help. Think blog posts, engaging emails, and compelling website copy that captures attention. The best part? You have the freedom to set your own hours, choose projects that excite you, and work from virtually anywhere in the world. Start on popular platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, where countless opportunities await. Create a simple yet effective portfolio, land small jobs to start, and gradually build up your reviews and reputation. As you gain more experience and confidence, you can charge higher rates. Some skilled writers earn $500 or more per article. Even beginners can make between $500 and $1,000 a month with just a few dedicated hours each week. As you grow your skills and client base, earning $2,000 or more per month becomes a realistic goal. No fancy degree is needed, just a reliable laptop and a stable internet connection. It's flexible, scalable, and you can even start tonight if you're ready to dive in. If you love writing and have a creative spark, this is a side hustle with real income potential and endless possibilities. Number 2, online tutoring. If you're good at a subject, math, languages, music, you can get paid to help others learn. Sites like Tutor.com and Wyzant make it easy to connect with students and set your own rates. You can tutor evenings or weekends, fitting sessions around your main job. Rates range from $20 to $60 plus per hour, depending on your expertise. Even 5 hours a week can add up to $600 a month. Specialized subjects like SAT prep can pay even more. Share your knowledge and earn extra cash. Third, become a virtual assistant. Entrepreneurs and small businesses need help with tasks like email, scheduling, social media, and research. If you're organized and reliable, you're qualified. Work remotely, set your own hours, and choose your clients. Start at $20, $35 per hour. Experienced VAs can charge $50 plus. 10 hours a week at $25/hour is $1,000 a month. Find clients on Upwork, Fiverr, or by networking online. It's a stable, flexible side hustle for the detail-oriented. Number 4, dropshipping. This is one of the most popular online business models for beginners and side hustlers alike. With dropshipping, you can run an online store without ever handling inventory yourself. When a customer places an order, your supplier takes care of packaging and shipping the product directly to them, so you never have to worry about storage or logistics. Platforms like Shopify make it easy to set up your store, and you can source products from sites such as AliExpress, Oberlo, or Spocket, giving you access to thousands of items to sell. Your profit comes from the difference between what you charge your customers and what you pay your supplier, so pricing and product selection are key. Startup costs are low, usually just the price of a website, some basic marketing, and maybe a few tools to help you manage orders and ads. Successful dropshipping stores can earn $1,000 to $2,000 or more each month, but it takes real effort to research trends, test products, and optimize your store for conversions. To stand out, focus on building a trustworthy, memorable brand, not just selling random items. Good branding builds customer loyalty and repeat sales. The best part? Dropshipping is flexible. You can run your business from your laptop, whether you're at home, in a coffee shop, or working on your side hustle during your free time. 5th, social media management. Businesses need help creating content, engaging followers, and growing their online presence. If you love Instagram or TikTok, this is for you. Manage accounts, schedule posts, and respond to comments, all from your phone or laptop. Charge $500, $1,500 per month per client. 2 clients can mean $1,500 extra a month. As you gain experience, you can charge more or build an agency. It's flexible, creative, and in high demand. Turn your social media skills into real income. Number 6, print on demand. Sell custom-designed products like t-shirts or mugs without inventory or shipping. Create designs, upload to platforms like Printful or Printify, and connect to Etsy or Shopify. When someone buys, the company prints and ships for you. Each design can sell over and over, creating passive income. Profits are typically $5, $15 per item. A few viral designs can add up fast. Start with a few designs and scale as you learn what sells. Perfect for creative types looking for low-risk income. 7th, affiliate marketing. Promote products you love and earn a commission for every sale through your unique link. Join programs like Amazon Associates or others in your niche. Share your links via blogs, YouTube, or social media. Content you create once can earn for months or years. Income grows as your audience grows. Some earn $1,000, $10, 000 plus per month. Be authentic and only promote what you believe in. It's a marathon, but the passive income potential is huge. Number 8. Rideshare driving. If you have a car and a smartphone, sign up for Uber or Lyft and start earning this week. Work whenever you want. Perfect for fitting around your schedule. Peak hours mean higher pay. Many drivers earn $20, $35 per hour before expenses. 10 hours on weekends can mean $250, $350 extra. Factor in gas and maintenance, but many expenses are tax deductible. Instant pay lets you cash out earnings immediately. Turn your car into a cash-generating asset. 9th, pet sitting or dog walking. Love animals? Get paid to care for pets while owners are away. Use apps like Rover or Wag to find clients and set your rates. Walks pay $15, $25 per half hour. Overnight stays can be $40, $80 plus per night. Build trust and reviews for steady bookings. Just a few clients can add $500, $1,000 a month. It's fun, flexible, and perfect for animal lovers. Earn extra cash while getting your daily dose of puppy love. 10th, selling digital products is a powerful way to earn online. Create something once, like an ebook, template, or online course, and sell it endlessly to people worldwide. No inventory, shipping, or ongoing manual work is required. Use Canva for templates, Amazon KDP for ebooks, or Etsy for digital art and downloads. Each product you create is a new stream of passive income. Start small. As your digital catalog grows, so does your income potential. Many creators earn thousands of dollars a month from digital products. Find a problem, create a digital solution, and build real, lasting wealth online. Number 11, remote customer service. Companies need part-time reps to handle emails, chats, or calls, often during evenings or weekends. No special degree required, just good communication and problem-solving skills. Work from home with a set schedule for predictable income. Pay ranges from $15, $25 per hour. 15 hours a week can mean $1, 000 plus a month. Find jobs on Indeed, FlexJobs, or directly on company sites. It's stable, reliable, and perfect for those who want structure. Earn extra income without leaving your house. 12th, rent out a spare room or property and turn unused space into extra income. List your space on Airbnb, set your price and availability, and start earning money from guests. You control when and how often you host, giving you total flexibility. Use smart locks and cleaners to make it even more passive and hassle-free. Positive reviews keep your space booked and attract more guests. Even 10 nights a month at $75 per night is $750 extra in your pocket. In high-demand areas, you could easily double that amount. Let your home help pay for itself and accelerate your financial goals faster than ever. There you have it, 12 high-paying side hustles you can start in 2025. Each one offers unique opportunities to earn extra income and develop new skills. Don't just watch. Pick the one that excites you most and take action today. Remember, the first step is always the hardest, but it's also the most rewarding. Set up your profile, sign up for an app, or start your first project. Begin by exploring platforms that match your interests and skills. Consistency beats intensity. Small steps every day add up. Make a habit of dedicating time daily to your side hustle, and watch your efforts compound. You have the blueprint. Now it's your turn to build your financial freedom. Celebrate each milestone, no matter how small, as it brings you closer to your goals. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more. Stay updated with the latest tips and strategies to maximize your side hustle success. Drop a comment below with the hustle you're most interested in. Share your journey and connect with others who are on the same path. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Keep hustling and stay inspired.